Beginning your day with a single glass of this natural drink could significantly support your sexual health, particularly if you've recently noticed a decline in erectile firmness, reduced libido, or difficulty maintaining a full sexual experience. These symptoms may be signaling issues such as impaired blood circulation, reduced nitric oxide availability, or imbalances in key hormones. Fortunately, there's a simple and cost-effective beverage you can easily prepare at home to complement a broader strategy for restoring sexual vitality. So, today, let me talk to you as your doctor. Not to sell a miracle, but to bring clarity based on medical science. Now, why do many men notice a decline in erectile strength as they age? Aging naturally brings a decrease in testosterone production, but that's just part of the story. Often, lifestyle factors accumulate over the years, causing harm to one's vascular system and hormonal balance. A typical aging male may consume excessive processed sugars and harmful fats, leading to metabolic diseases such as hypertension, type 2 diabetes, and high cholesterol. Each of these conditions damages blood vessels, impairing the delivery of oxygen-rich blood where and when it's most needed. Sedentary behavior, poor sleep quality, often worsened by dependence on sleep medications, and chronic stress further compound the problem. All of these, sustained over years or decades, slowly erode sexual performance. However, please understand this clearly. No drink or supplement alone can cure erectile dysfunction if underlying issues are not addressed. As your physician, it's crucial I share the truth rather than offer unrealistic promises. The reality is that erectile dysfunction, or ED, has multiple potential causes. Is your ED due to depression, low testosterone, diabetes? Are you taking medications that may be suppressing your libido or sexual performance? Could stress or unresolved trauma be affecting intimacy? Without a thorough clinical evaluation, it's impossible to say. That's why personalized care is essential. ED needs to be approached based on its specific root cause. That said, a natural beverage composed of researched ingredients can support vascular function, hormone metabolism, antioxidant status, and libido. But don't expect meaningful changes if you continue smoking, drinking excessively, remaining sedentary, or neglecting your nutrition. A healthy lifestyle is non-negotiable for real, lasting improvement. So let's talk about this nutrient-rich drink. It is not a miracle. It's a scientifically backed strategy to support your physiology. The beverage combines the following ingredients. First, watermelon, rich in an amino acid called citrulline. Citrulline serves as a precursor to nitric oxide, a molecule that dilates blood vessels and improves circulation, including blood flow to the penis. Because of this, watermelon has been informally referred to as nature's Viagra, though of course the effect is more subtle and gradual. Second, lemon juice. Lemons not only enhance flavor, they are rich in vitamin C and naturally promote circulation while modulating inflammation levels. Lemon has also been linked to improved insulin sensitivity, which is especially important for individuals living with diabetes. Third, pumpkin seeds. These are an excellent source of zinc, a mineral essential for testosterone synthesis. Zinc deficiencies are directly associated with hormonal imbalances, and restoring adequate levels can support reproductive health. Pumpkin seeds have also been used traditionally, and now studied clinically, for benign prostatic hyperplasia, or age-related prostate enlargement. Fourth and finally, fresh ginger. Ginger acts as a natural vasodilator, enhancing blood circulation and supporting libido. Additionally, it has well-documented antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, which collectively protect vascular health and reduce the oxidative stress known to impair erectile function. To prepare the drink, blend cubed watermelon, a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds, a small piece of fresh ginger, and the juice of 1 lemon. Consume 1 glass of this beverage daily, preferably in the morning or after your workout session. But please, don't rely solely on the drink. Incorporate it into a broader program that includes physical activity, especially resistance training and cardiovascular exercise, and, importantly, consistent healthy eating. A question I'm often asked is, "Doctor, what do I eat?" My answer is simple, though comprehensive. Base your diet on real, unprocessed foods. This means plenty of fruits, vegetables, legumes, and lean sources of animal protein, such as eggs, poultry, and fish. Drop the processed junk. Avoid sugary beverages, refined carbs, ultra-processed snacks, industrial trans fats like margarine, and limit alcohol. Smoking cessation is imperative, and managing stress and sleep is just as important as any medication or supplement. Aim to sleep at least 7 hours each night. Regular intimate contact is beneficial, not just for your relationship, but for maintaining the neuromuscular function of the sexual organs. Like any muscle in the body, if it's not used, it begins to reduce function. Regular and healthy intimacy is, in this case, part of preventive medicine. If intimacy with your partner has been lacking, communicate. Listen. Make time to reconnect emotionally and romantically. A small gesture, a compliment, a dinner date, a thoughtful surprise, can spark closeness. Human relationships require care, attention, and nurturing. You already know what to do. Sometimes you just need a little motivation. It outlines natural approaches to optimize your health span, including nutrition, mental health, hormone balance, and more. It can also make a great supportive gift for a loved one, regardless of gender or orientation. So in summary, while this drink is packed with science-backed ingredients that aid sexual health, it is not a cure on its own. Think of it as one valuable piece of a larger evidence-based strategy. It must accompany lifestyle changes to deliver lasting results. If this was some miracle cure, it would be sold at astronomical prices. But it's not. It's watermelon, lemon, ginger, and pumpkin seeds. Nothing extraordinary until paired with the right lifestyle. I encourage you to share this information with friends or acquaintances who may not have access to medical care, private consultations, or health insurance. The internet allows for the democratization of knowledge. Let's use it for real, impactful change in people's lives. Thank you for your attention. If you found this valuable, follow the channel for more expert-backed guidance, and stay tuned for upcoming videos, one of which explores a powerful fruit for prostate health, and another that discusses the mechanism and potential effects of tadalafil. I'll see you soon.